The Igbos are known for their distinct culture, language, attires, food, and traditions. They also have unique crafts such as blacksmithing, mostly done by men, goldsmithing, mostly done by men, also hunting. These activities also done by men, farming done by men and women, and then pottery making done by both men and women. They mold pots, and then they also carve from wood. They mold marks, figures, and ancient totems. And then the women also involved in aquatic material weaving, baskets, different weaving of all sorts, mats, raffia, mostly raffias also for weaving, men also involved in this. And then the women also involved in the uli art decorations on walls and on body like tattoo. Till today, these crafts are still practiced in different Igbo lands. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you to all my new subscribers. God bless you.